The demand D in units sold for a company's new brand of cell phone at price X in dollars is D of X equals 5,000 minus 10X. Now first off, price could be given like this. The price is X, which if I write it in function form, P of X equals X. I like my price to be a function, so P of X equals, the price is X. Maybe in another problem, the price is 2x plus 5. Then P of x equals 2x plus 5. It's always P of x equals whatever the price is. So when they ask me to find the company's expected revenue from a cell phone, when they ask me to do this, expected revenue. Revenue is how much money you take in. And when you're running a business, the way you determine how much money you take how many items are going to be sold, which is called demand, and multiply it by the price, which is whatever the price is. You multiply those two things together, you get expected revenue. So the revenue function, revenue, equals demand times price. So in this particular problem, if I let revenue be represented by the expression R of X, it simply is going to equal D of X times P of X. Another way of writing that is R of X equals D times P of X. Just like we did F plus G and F minus G, we could have done F times G. So we can write it like that or this, but however you want to write it is fine, doesn't matter, they mean the same thing. This means to multiply function D times function P. What is function D?
We don't know. Oh wait. Oh.
Function D is D of X, right? D of X is 5,000 minus 10X, I'll put that in parentheses. What's function P? P of X equals X, so we're going to multiply that times X, right? So the revenue function is just the demand function times the price function. Demand is this, price is this. We're going to multiply those together. So my revenue function is going to be, if I distribute, this is X times this and X times that, it's going to give me 5,000X minus 10X squared. So that's part A. There's the revenue function. Part of the revenue function is domain. We're trying to sell cell phones, right? What's the least amount of money a cell phone can cost?
We don't know.
It's not a trick question.
We don't know.
0. The most it can cost is whatever they want to charge, right? But 0. They're not going to give you money. They're going to say, this cell phone is negative $500. That means you get the phone in $500. They're not going to do that.
That's
0.
nice.
Right?
That'd be really nice.
$0.
And the demand, the fewest number of people who get cell phone is also 0. So we'd have to figure out the demand from this. I'll finish this up tomorrow in class. I'm not going to finish it in the video. So anybody watching the video, figure it out on your own. It's in the book. Hope it makes sense.